How to fix Telegram SMS fee problem 2025. High SMS fee issue. Before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick Telegram fixes. If Telegram is showing a high SMS verification fee in 2025, here's why it happens and how to fix it safely. First, understand the reason. Telegram charges an SMS fee when it can't deliver the code for free due to your country, carrier restrictions, or repeated verification attempts. Now the solutions. First, use the in-app call or Telegram code option. When available, choose Get Code via Telegram or voice call instead of SMS. This is usually free. Second, avoid repeated attempts. Requesting the code again and again increases the chance of a paid SMS. Wait a few minutes before retrying. Third, check your internet connection. Use stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Poor connection can block free verification methods and force SMS. Fourth, make sure your phone number is correct and active. Inactive or VoIP numbers often trigger paid SMS verification. Fifth, try Telegram desktop or web. Sometimes logging in from another official Telegram platform offers a free verification method. Pro tip: high SMS fees are set by carriers and regions, not Telegram itself. Paying once may activate your account permanently, so you won't face the fee again. That's it. Now you know how to fix or avoid the Telegram high SMS fee problem in 2025. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment "solved" below.